Want to start a YouTube channel but not comfortable being on camera? Nowadays, whenever you are watching videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, every second video is generated by AI in front of you. Such YouTubers, TikTokers, content creators are earning thousands of dollars a month with AI-generated videos. Because such videos are liked by the viewers, that is why they get thousands of views on each video. So today in this video I will properly guide you how you can make these AI videos in just 5 to 10 minutes while staying on the same platform with great ease. The name of the platform I am talking about is Wondershare Virbo. It is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos quickly and easily. So let me tell you step by step how you can earn money by making such AI videos. But before that, let me tell you that I am not a real person either, but rather I am an avatar created by Wondershare Virbo. Surely you can guess by looking at me how advanced Wondershare Virbo AI technology is. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me to create more useful tutorials in the future. After clicking on the link given in the description below, this website will open. One of the greatest features of this tool is that it is available on all three platforms, online, Windows PC and mobile app. If I click on Features, you'll see a lot of options like URL to video, AI Montage Maker, AI Clip Generator, AI Avatar, AI Text to Video, AI Image Generator, AI Talking Photo, AI Voice Generator, AI Script Generator, Image to Video, etc. To get started, click on Start Online for Free button. After that, this interface will appear in front of you. Here you get to see many avatars, like female, male, for marketing, for news, for education, for lifestyle, and fixed background avatars. To create a video, we will first click on Create Video. Here you can select the video aspect ratio according to your need. I select Landscape. First, here in the left panel, we will choose an AI avatar from among 300 ultra-realistic AI avatars. I choose this avatar. After that, we will click on the background button and choose one of the many backgrounds available here. As I choose this background from the business category. Now we will drag and place our avatar, according to the background where we want to place this avatar. Next we will type our script here. By clicking on the audio script button we can also upload our audio file from here. And if you don't have the script, then you will click on this AI script button and enter your topic here. This AI script generator will generate the script according to your topic. Since I already have the script, I'll paste it here. Now we will go to the language section. First of all we will click on the language button and select the language we want to choose from here. After that, many AI voices are available here. You will choose the voice of your choice. You can also control the speed, pitch and volume of your voice. Here, in the right panel, you can toggle the subtitles button on and off. By selecting the subtitles, you can change the text style here, change your font color, etc. By selecting the avatar, you can change the view mode to close-up, circle view and half-length view. Here in the left panel, by clicking on the text button you can enter your desired text. You can also select stickers of your choice, and you can add background music to your video. Once we're satisfied with all our settings, we'll click the export button, and it'll start the processing of the video. According to the length of the script, the generation of the video will take time. After the processing is complete, I show you by clicking the play button.
Creating faceless YouTube videos with AI has become a popular method for making content without needing to appear on camera.
You can see that Wondershare Virbo has generated the best video for you with AI avatar. You can generate such AI videos by following my steps. Now I will tell you how you can turn your image into a talking portrait. For that we will click on the talking photo button. After coming to this page, you can select any image you want from the numerous images available here. and convert it into a talking photo, or you can also convert your image into a talking photo by clicking on the Upload Photo button. But I will go with this image. Click the Next button. Once we get here, we will type our script here. By clicking on the Audio Script button, we can also upload our audio file. Or if you don't have the script, you can use this AI script option, enter your topic here, and this AI script generator will generate the script for you. Next, we will click here to select the language and voiceover. First, we will click on the language button and select the language of our choice from here. After that, we will choose the voice of our choice from the numerous AI voices available here, and click on the Select button. If you want to add subtitles to the video, leave the subtitles ticked. To add background music to the video, we will select background music, and from here we can choose any background music of our choice and use it in the background of our video. Finally, if we want to remove the background of our video, we can remove it by clicking on the Remove BG button. Once we are satisfied with all our settings, we will click on the Create Video button, and it will begin the process of converting our image into a talking photo. After the processing is complete, I show you by clicking the Play button.
You can make such kind of short videos as well as long videos, in just 5 to 10 minutes. And such videos go viral very quickly, from which you can easily earn a lot of money.
In this way, you can convert your image into a talking photo with any kind of background and with any kind of voice, and create viral AI videos with the help of Wondershare Virbo. Wondershare Virbo's specialty is its premium video templates, which help you create professional AI videos for any platform. From here, you just have to select the template of your choice, after which you can change its text, change the avatar, and generate professional AI videos of your choice. Apart from this, you can create videos for any platform from the various templates available in different categories such as e-commerce, explainer video, advertisement, festival, and social media. Finally, let me tell you that when you create a new Wondershare Virbo account, you are given 2 minutes for free, with which you can generate 8 to 10 videos of 10 to 15 seconds. And when you use it, and it seems to you a valuable tool for your business or for any other platform, then you can buy it. They have different packages which are very economical. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos.